Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to return defect items on Amazon. To return a defect item on Amazon, you need to follow these steps. First of all, what you want to do is open up your Amazon application and log into your account. As logged in, the next thing you want to do is go to the order section, and you just need to click on the use section in order to go to the order, and there you have the order section, right? Now, you have to find the order containing a defect item. You just need to initiate or click on the return or replace item button next to it. Then you have to choose a reason for a menu that best describes the problem with the item, and decide whether you want to refund or a replacement for the items. Then you may need to submit a return request, as the seller must review it before issuing a refund or replacement, and select a return method. Choose your preferred method for returning the item, which may include options like UPS Store, Kohl's, Whole Foods, or Amazon Drop-Off as well. Then you need to prepare for a return and return the item. So this is how you could initiate or return defect item on Amazon. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.